Right guys, here we are. We've got our newly acquired OUTCAST 8S that we picked up yesterday. Not brand new. Came to us with a couple of faults, but me and Nathan have repaired it yesterday. We've taken the back flips off because one of the tyres had come off the rim and I've run out of tyre glue, so we're going to get that glued and get them back on. But I had a spare set of KRATON 8S wheels, so they're on it at the minute. So we're going to take these two out and give them a bit of a ramp session, but we thought we'd show you what's inside them first. So Nath, if you want to whip the KRATON shell off. Basically, when we picked up the OUTCAST yesterday, this is Cora, by the way. Hi Cora. When we picked up the OUTCAST yesterday, the ESC was fried, so we've put a Max 6 in it and we will be putting a bigger motor in it soon, but we're waiting for a motor mount. So it's running the standard motor. We've got two Sunpadal 6000 mAh batteries, 70C rated, and we've last night installed a 30-tooth pinion on it. Haven't tried it out, hoping this thing's going to be super fast. There's a couple of little upgrades on it. It's got an M2C chassis and some mud stoppers at the back there. Now on the KRATON 8S, if you've seen our other videos, this has got some lovely upgrades. We've got a Max 5 in here, and it's running 800 kV motor. We've got a GPM front shock tower, because we smashed if you see our other videos, we smashed the front shock tower on, I think, first or second outing. We've got some GPM chassis braces because we bent the hell out of the standard ones. This has also got a Radical RC UK bash bar on it. Now we've just noticed when we brought it out this morning that one of the rear shocks is leaking, so we're going to have to get a rebuild kit. We're going to take it out today, but we're going to have to get a rebuild kit for that. If anybody's knows what kits are out there and can point us in the right direction, leave a comment below. But there you go guys, these two things are absolute beasts. So Nath, get the controllers turned on. And we'll get these cars turned on. There we go. So we're going to take them out the back. We've got a couple of ramps ready, a couple of Rampage ramps. We're going to go and give them some hell out the back. Lovely body clips in. Anybody who watches our channel knows I love body clips. Not. They're a big old pain in the butt. So the first hurdle is seeing if these babies can get up this step, because I know the OUTCAST can because he did it last night. We've got Cora and Luna here wanting to eat them, so the KRATON, they're both up. Right, let's go. See you out on the ramps, guys. Right guys, here we are, our Bashingfield bit football going on over there, so there'll be a bit of shouting and stuff. But this is the first outing with the OUTCAST, with the 30-tooth pinion. Haven't tried it, put it on last night. She absolutely flies. Absolutely flies. We know the KRATON 8S flies. She's an absolute beast. Running Z power lipos, 6,000 milliamp hour, or 6,200 milliamp hour, I think they are, in the KRATON 8S. 80C rated. Bit of ballooning on them tyres. We might have to sort out the diffs in the OUTCAST, but these two trucks are super fast. Should both be hitting around 50 mile an hour. Right, try not to kill each other, Nath. These things, if they hit us, will. Right, go on then. Come on, Nath. Whoa! Tumble! Still alive. Right, Nath. You're watching. Whoa! Oh, nice clean jump, but the landing. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! No, he's trying to kill me. Got a bit of balloon on the front tyres. What diff oil is everyone recommending? Oh, Nate's gonna have to go get it. Whoa, absolutely awesome. Woo! Woo! Nate's determined to kill the KRATON today. Go, 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 go. Whoa! Big old tumble one on the KRATON. Oh, no. Could have done a full flip then. I would have full flipped that. Oh! Whoa! Oh! I'm running the suspension on the OUTCAST pretty low. Whoop! Too much brake. Oh, totally down on the wing. Oh! Oh, no. That could have been a full flip then, dude. Whoa! Deaf KRATON. Deaf to the KRATON. Whoa, she jumps lovely, the OUTCAST. Currently, oh! We've just broken the rear wing. We've just broken the rear wing on the OUTCAST. Yeah, we've snapped it off, look. Snapped the rear wing off. It looks like we've just snapped the bolts actually. So, yeah, rear wing bolts snapped, but we'll keep going. He's got it down now. Whoa, there goes the rear wing completely off of her. So she's naked now. Naked without the rear wing on, look. But who needs a rear wing? Yeah, we snapped the bolts, look. So, yeah, just snapped the bolts, look. Rear wing's fine. The rear wing's not broken. Oh, nice jump, Nate, nice jump. Right guys, as I say, the OUTCAST has broken rear wing off. We're going to keep going at it, but Amy's birthday today and she's got a new HBX 16889, something that she loves. Awesome little truck, probably one of the best RC cars you can get. Brushless little, what they 1/14, something like that. Absolutely awesome little truck. Wow! So brushless little 2S lipo in it. Won't break ever. If anyone's got one, you know how much fun they are. Super fast little thing. Awesome suspension on it. Come on, Amy, let's get some jumps out of her. Woo! Absolutely awesome little bit of kit. Anyone's looking to get a first time basher for their kids, 16889. I'll try and put a link down below. Absolutely wicked bit of kit. This one came with 2 batteries. Oh, so if you watch our channel, you see we've got a couple of them. We stuck one on 3S, on a big Zop Lipo 3S battery, and the thing ran all day. Stock standard. We've got some upgrades for our other ones, which will be coming soon. We'll be doing a full upgrade video of everything. Whoa! Ah, awesome little bit of kit. Tell you what guys, for the money you just can't get better. Wow, lands on its wheels all the time. So much fun. The big cars are great, but these little cars, they just put a smile on your face every time you take them out. Look at it go. Whoa! Amy's going to try and run me over. Whoa! Oh, she's on a roof. Whoa! Whoa! Little thing absolutely flies. As I say, we put, you go through our videos, find the one where we put the 3S on it. Absolute beast of a little truck. Woo! And they're so light, you rarely break them. Woo! Whoop! Woo! Just fun. Whoa! Oh, hello Chris. This is Chris. Hi Chris. Chris is probably going to chase around like a nutter because he loves it. Woo! Whoa! 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 Oh! Hard hit on the back end then. What? The batteries come out then, they. The Max 5's come out because we only had it tie wrapped in. I think what we're going to have to do is it's got some holes on the bottom of it. What we've done on the OUTCAST on the Max 6 was drilled the bottom and used the 4 holes, and we've screwed it into the top of the servo cover. So I think that's what we're going to have to do with this, Nath. So I think this is out of action for now. So that's it for the KRATON 8S for now, but that's all that's wrong with her. All them jumps, all them tumble wumbles, all that turtling, and yeah, that's all we think. Oh look, we've bent that, look. Oh, yeah. Bent the steering bolt. But these steering bolts are the only real thing that we've had a problem with breaking these bolts. And this is the bolt that we've just put in. It's a bit long as well, so maybe I'll order some uprated bolts for it, and we'll get this screwed back in and held in properly and get back out of her soon. But there you go guys, this is our bit battered now OUTCAST 8S. Absolute beast of a truck, absolutely love it. So coming into our second hand, had the ESC blown, so we stuck a Max 6 in it. So we have a 1090 rocket motor we'll be sticking in it soon, just waiting for the 56 series mount slider to come in, and we'll be swapping that out, and we'll bring it out again and show you guys what she can do. But there you go guys, you want to see more of these trucks, you want to see more of Nath, you want to see more of me, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for when we upload more. Gonna get a few more jumps now, get some slow-mos, but we'll be back soon guys. Amy's just putting a new battery in HBX, and there we go, a little bit of Sunday morning action. Love you lots guys. Bye bye. Say bye Nath.
Bye guys.